This is the easiest way to connect AI sales agents built with MagicBlocks directly to your GoHighLevel CRM. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the complete setup process, from finding your HighLevel API key, connecting your account in MagicBlocks, configuring automatic lead transfer, mapping your custom fields, and testing everything before you go live. By the end of this video, your AI agent will automatically send qualified leads into HighLevel the moment they're ready. Let's get started.
Let's go ahead and move to lead transfer. So after a certain goal or when the session ends, you can forward the leads to email or, so this is all the goals, by the way, either leads capture or meeting booked. And then you can send it to your email, or you can also connect to your HighLevel or HubSpot. So I already connected to HighLevel, so I can just click it and then click active. And here you can add the fields as well if you want the summary of the session, for example. You can also kind of create the field and save, right? To set it up, it's very easy. You can go to library and then click connections. And then here you can select HighLevel and then click connect. So you can create like a new connection name, for example, GHL, and then you find access token from your HighLevel and then you put your key. So you can go to your HighLevel and then go to settings. And then here you can see the API key and then you can copy them, and then you can go back here and put down the access token and then click connect. After the chat and the goal is completed, your leads will be transferred to HighLevel. So you can go to HighLevel and then click contacts to check the new leads that is just forwarded from MagicBlocks. Also have a native CDP. If you click leads and you click the lead, and you will see all the information about the lead that's been captured by the agent. So that's the platform. Look, the easiest way to know if this works for your clients is just to try it. Pick one client and then try to build it. It's free in the first 200 messages. If you need more and if you need more channels like SMS, you can upgrade. But basically just go to magicblocks.ai and then start from there.